Oh, wait, apple, corn. Wait, why you're not corn? You're not corn. I accidentally put on you. We have two pumpkins. For some reason, that's drum. Oh, hell yes. Okay. For some reason, I'm managed to turn over to see who survives. Wait, why am I flying? Hello! How did I fly? I'm coming down. Corn, save me. I do it. I gotta land. Run! Oh! Wow! Oh, that one hurt. How did I get out? Boom. Ah! Crap. I went down. Yeah. Oh yeah, I cannot jump. I'm coming down. Oh, right. Am I flying now? Oh, I'm taking the day. I accidentally killed that. Ah! Oh, I killed him. I'm sorry, but I'm going home. I'm sorry. Now you're going outside. You're gonna be stuck. We got killed. Hmm. Oh, no. Oh. And his apple got cooked and then I got him. Well, melon is cooked. I think he made a bunker just for him. Not. Oh. Wow. The bunker is a double. Look, we couldn't eat there. But I made a bunker. Muddy and people. Oh, I didn't put air. Good air ko. Melon. How could I do? Wow. They survived. Okay. They survived. Cannot be. Bro, did he breathe? Oh, oh, oh. Melon South survived. Hmm? Sorry, I paused. What? What's that? I put that there, so sorry that I paused. Like, I put. Okay, I have to follow you. Finally, I can go inside. With my dead friend. My friend was pumpkin. Where can this go out? Ooh. Open the door. Open it. Oh. A, 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 A.